Hi and welcome back to the DBI review, and today I am using my spinner machine. So let's get started. I'm gonna first, because I have a couple sheets too, so I'm gonna first start with putting just a little blue on. Just a little bit, not much, because these sheets aren't big. A little bit of purplish, magenta, whatever. Alright. A little bit of yellow. Come on, Coco. Hey, Coco. Watch out, girl, okay? You can look from there. Hey, Coco. Alright, mustardy yellow. It's even acting like mustard right now. Coco. Hey. I know, Coco. Here. Yeah. Alright, and let's do some green too. Let me cross. There. Hold on, Coco. It's not done yet. Alright. And last but not least, let me add some. Actually, I'll add. No, I'm not going to add no pink. It's just not going to. Whatever. And then. Okay. And then my next one, I'll add some pink. But hold on. Let's turn this on. Let's watch out here. It's gonna splatter, Coco. Hold on, Coco. No. Watch out. That's so satisfying. It looks so cool. When it's spinning, it looks cooler, but let's wait 2 more seconds. 1, 2. See what it looks like. Here, Coco. Here, I'll hold you up high so you can see. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Might as well add some more color. Hold on, Coco. Alright, and then so that way they can blend together better. I'll just take this. Oh, it's a little leaky. Hold on, Coco. Alright, let's add some green. There, to try to cover that up. Hopefully, just a little bit, because that's pretty flaky, but alright. Some blue. Whoa, alright, let's take that out, I guess. Guess there's gonna be quite a bit of blue. Okay, and make sure that you have some napkins too. Otherwise it gets pretty messy. This is gonna get messier. Oh, that's looking cooler already. You can see it kinda already. It's been like that, but it's not been that bad. Here, and then let's also add a little bit more green to the outside. I'm gonna just. Oh yeah. Okay, and for the last bit, might as well add a little bit more. I think pink, and we're good, actually. There. That will blend in good, hopefully. Alright. And let's give her a couple more seconds. 2, 1. all this dried up paint. Oh boy. That's crazy. Alright. So, looks like that's our final product. It's pretty crazy. It's like, all those colors are blended in. Let me take this off carefully. Okay, and so now I'm gonna be drawing on it with white crayon, so that way it doesn't stick to that area. And then I'm gonna place it in here so there's like tiny little grips on for smaller sizes and bigger sizes. Like right now mine is a little bigger, so it's a little easier to put this back on. And then this also has kind of like grips, so it goes like right on these two, right there, and you just kind of push it on. Alright, and then I'm gonna place them on, the colors on. Oof, wow, it's pretty dried up. Alright, so see, I'll even place like a little bit down on each one, so because it won't like really stick to that side as well. And then there. Let's do this. A bit of this. Ooh. Alright, looks like that will be the most. Make sure that you put the crayons back in before your cats get at it, or your pets. Alright. There, and then I'll add just a little more colors because there's not enough to cover that. Really? So, let's get creative. Okay. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, let's give her a go. Here, I'm gonna just add a little green in that center since there's not much there. See? There we go. That looks pretty good. There isn't much in there. Let's see, I'll give her just a couple more seconds. Two, 1, 0. Alright, let's see what the final product is. Oh wow, that's crazy. Maybe I should just add a little more color just right here, just to see what it looks like. You gotta hold on to it. There, see, because there's probably a big chunk in it, just like that. Alright, now let's see what it looks like. Alright, and then, so this is the final turnout of it. If you're interested in this, and you want it, we'll have a link in the description, and we'll be posting this, so you guys can check in the link in the description. Alright, and then if you guys want me to do a giveaway, like and subscribe. Alright. See ya.